United States Air Force, the B-52 flying legend, the most durable warplane ever built. Well, that was 1952, so come on, you lads, you fighter pilots and transport pilots, how many years is that? Born in 1952, how old is it?
Oh, I hate being on the spot, Peter. I think it's about 62.
Pilots,
maybe 63.
Pilots thinking. Well, this aircraft is flying direct from overseas. When it arrives, Gary will tell you more about it. Coming direct from overseas, overflying us twice, and then returning to its point of departure, a round trip of around 16 hours. Let's watch now, Gary and Pete, as the C-17 sets up for this landing. Particularly interested in what you said about medevac capability and hospital on board. Just expand on that a little.
Sure, Pete. The aircraft can put an actual mobile operating theatre with all the facilities you would expect in a modern hospital, and allows doctors and nurses to carry out critical operations instead of waiting for patients, soldiers to arrive outside of the battle zone. They can go pick them up. They can be operated on as they move through the air.
Such is the capability of this amazing C-17.
Okay, folks, we promised you something pretty special. To the right, focus your eyes. You see a bit of smoke on the horizon. All the way from Guam, Anderson Air Force Base, some 7,000 kilometres. A legend of both, well, a legend of aviation in the 20th century. The B-52, ladies and gentlemen. Get your cameras ready, boys and girls. This is the one and only appearance here at the 2015 air show of this aircraft.
And a 16-hour round trip, Gary. It came from where?
It came from Guam, Peter, an island in the North Pacific. Anderson Air Force Base. This particular aircraft is commanded today by Major Mike Brogan. It's from the 96th Expeditionary Bomb Squadron, and we're very pleased to have them here. We'll see one pass initially, one of two passes. The first pass, a slow pass. The aircraft will set up again for a second pass in about 5 minutes, when we'll see some of the high-speed capabilities of this aircraft.
This represents the Cold War era, the B-52, at the height of the Cold War and the years that followed. The B-52, long-term warhorse of the United States infantry.
one of the most up-to-date weapon platforms the USAF have to this day.
Fireworks on the ground as the B-52 delivers some of its 32 tonnes of ordnance. That's its one and only appearance. So our thanks to the United States Air Force and Boeing's wonderful B-52.